So it's a beautiful flat morning today at Kemp Spike. Glad we didn't go all the way down the Rock Sound. Beautiful puffy clouds.
Out, be free with me. Be free with me. Be free.
Well, we're in Rock Sound, or entering Rock Sound. And the water is a great deal more clear here at the southern end of Eleuthera. You're going to enjoy being here. It's quite a big bay. I think we've got 5 boat crews with us, walking to see some caves. Jenny thinks this is cooler than Preacher's Cave. The Wyatt is here. We're just having a ball. Kids love caves. Only cruising can you get kids speaking multiple languages together, and it all just makes sense to them. Yeah, they're the roots. Cool cave set here in Rock Sound, Eleuthera. And they help make it really accessible. And there's a blue hole right as you come here. We're holed up here. Wyatt just caught a Spanish mackerel, but we are in Rock Sound waiting for the arrival of some weather. It's supposed to blow through pretty quick, and I think this is probably it. after a solid 24 hours on the boat, we needed some time off, so we headed to Frigates. We had a couple of drinks there, and we were entertained by Samuel Jeff.
I'm going to sit by your door tonight, so I could hold you really tight, tight, tight. Green eye, please come with your green, green eyes. Oh, pretty hairs of green eyes.
Wyatt showed some true interest in guitar, and he got himself a free lesson.
Got it? Okay.
All right, so we started off with it. We just got back from the grocery store, and we're getting directions to go to Sammy's restaurant, which is going through someone's yard, through a field, and out the other side. So that's pretty cool. All right, so we got an update on our directions. Real nice guys hanging out. We eventually made it to Sammy's. It's a great spot that locals eat at, and it's much more inexpensive than the restaurants you find out near the water. All right, me and Wyatt created this lure out of a tin can. It's actually an aluminum.
Oh, cool. He looks really small. I don't think we...
Oh, he's bleeding.
Yep. Either put him back in or go clean him up and eat him.
Here's Wyatt. He's cooking his fish. He caught himself a Cerro mackerel. Cerro mackerel. Just a lovely day. Wind's finally picking up. It was glass most of the day. Just sitting here in the dinghy watching the sun get closer to going down. Wyatt's got me way out here. I think he is gonna try to catch some more fish off the side of the boat. He's caught, I don't know, 4 little mackerels off the side of the boat. At one point he had hooked into one with this spoon that he had created. It basically used an old tin can, cut it up, and made this lure, and he snagged it. Unfortunately, we didn't do a good job of smoothing the hole we drilled, and so we think that cut our line. So somewhere there's a mackerel swimming around with a homemade lure in his face. Oh well. We're getting ready to go to the fish fry. It's Friday night in Rock Sound.